Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can unarchive your posts on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, if I go into my account in the bottom right, as you will be able to see, I have 3 posts public on my profile at this moment. I have archived one post, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can unarchive it. The thing you need to do is you need to go into your profile options in the top right, and for some reason I only have this, which is to create. I don't know why that's happening, but you should have these 3 bars in the top right, as you can see right now on my profile. Just click on that and you'll get into your settings and activity. From here, you're going to go into your archive under how you use Instagram, and once you're in your archive, you'll originally get into your story archive like this, or you could go into your posts archive by clicking on story archive and changing it. Then you want to click the post that you want to unarchive, and then go into the top right, click these 3 dots, and then you'll see show on your profile. You just want to hit that, and then it'll ask you if you want to confirm it. Just click show on profile again, and as you can see, it is now restored. If I go into my profile now, as you can see, it still isn't present in my profile. However, if I restarted Instagram, it would appear again, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.